you can't find the light that guides you through a cloudy day, when the stars ain't shining bright and it feels like you've lost your way, when the candle lights of home burn so very far away. Oh, you got to let your soul shine, just like my daddy used to say, soul shine. Oh, it's better than sunshine, better than moonshine, damn sure better than rain. Well, now people don't mind, we all feel this way sometimes. Got to let your soul shine, shine till the break of day. I grew up thinking I had it made to make it on my own, but life can take the strongest man, make him feel so alone. And now sometimes I feel a cold wind blowing through my aching bones. I think back to what my daddy said. He said, boy, in this darkness before the dawn, let your soul shine. It's better than sunshine, better than moonshine, damn sure better than rain. Well, now people don't mind, we all feel this way sometimes. Got to let your soul shine, shine till the break of day. Sometimes a man can feel this emptiness, like a woman has robbed him of his very soul. Woman too, Lord knows she can feel like this. But hey, when your little world seems cold, got to let your spirit take control. Talking about soul shine, it's better than sunshine, better than moonshine,